Okay, folks, let's do the first few questions of a typical maths GCSE higher tier past paper. Okay, so this is question number 1. We've got the vector A, which is -4 minus 1, and vector B is 3 minus 1. Circle the vector 2A plus B. So we're going to have two lots of -4 minus 1. Okay, and I'm going to add vector B, which is 3 minus 1, sorry. Okay, now when I have a scalar, so I've got a 2 times this, all I do is just multiply 2 by the vector, but keep my sign consistent. So 2 times -4 makes -8. 2 times -1 makes -2. Okay, then I'm going to add 3 minus 1. And nice and simple, okay, adding vectors and even subtracting them, I add the top components together and the bottom ones together. So on the top, we got -8 plus 3 is -5. And then we got -2 plus -1. Well, that becomes -2 minus 1, okay, which is -3. So our answer is -5 minus 3. Okay, wondering if you got that. So option 1, okay, so it can't be option 2 or 4, and it can't be option 3, because the bottom one, yeah, so yeah, -2 plus -1. Okay, again, if you're unsure with your negatives, be careful. If you're adding a negative, it becomes a subtraction, it becomes a takeaway. So -2 minus 1 is -3, or -3. Okay, so be careful here with your negatives. Okay, question 2. Which of these values of n makes 2.7 times 10 to the n a cube number? Check your answer. Well, a cube number is made by multiplying by a number by itself and then by itself again. So, for example, 1 cubed is 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. Now, if you look here, we've got 2.7. Now, to go from 2.7 to 27, we times it by 10. Or in other words, we times it by 10 to the power of 1. Okay, so 2.7 multiplied by 10 to the power of 1, because any number to the power of 1 is just itself. So this is the same as doing 2.7 times 10. When I do that, I get 27, which is a cube number. Therefore, n equals 1. Okay, so always remember here that any number to the power of 1 is just itself. Okay, so 10 to the 1 is just 10. 8 to the 1 is just 8, etc., etc. Okay, so yeah, any number to the power of 1 is just itself. Question 3, rearrange 2x equals y over w to make w the subject. Okay, check your answer. Well, step 1, I'm going to times up by w on both sides. So I have 2xw is equal to y. To get w by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by 2x. Divide this by 2x. Okay, these 2x's, they cancel. Okay, so we get w equals y over 2x, which is option 3. Okay, so yeah, that is rearranging a formula.